Hello, I wanted to quickly explain how you can use the RSS multi-importer and what features we have. When you first go, and after you activate it, you just go to RSS multi-importer under your settings. This will be the first screen, and you can see all you do is just give names to the different feeds that you'd like to use. So I have Read Write Web here, and this is the URL of their RSS feed. I've just put in 3 here. You'll notice that also I can assign these different RSS feeds to a category. That is simply done over here on the category options. You click on, you'll notice that I've already added 6 different categories, and I can easily just add another category. Every time I add a new category, it'll show up in the drop-down box right there. So for right now, I've just got 3 RSS feeds. 2 of them are assigned to technology, and 1 is assigned to posts. I can then go in and I can use the settings option, and I can choose from many different templates that will allow me to present what these RSS feeds look like on my site, and choose the number of pages, pagination, how the links will open, and excerpts, etc. After I've done that, if I just put the shortcode on the site, you'll notice that this is the way it renders. And so this is the default template, and you can see what it's doing is it's mixing together and aggregating the feeds from Read Write Web and from Yahoo. And if there's an image associated with the RSS feed, that shows as well. Another thing that I can do is I can go in and use our new feed to post option. And here what I'm doing is I'm basically just going to choose one of my categories. Here I'm just going to choose it as posts. Decide on how many entries per feed I want from that. Decide whether or not I want it to come into my website as published or draft. And then I can activate it. And then what will happen is every hour the RSS feed will be fetched and then put in as blog posts. And you can see an example of what that means right here. So remember that I had that option in my categories for something called posts. Well, this is what it looks like. And this is Gawker's RSS feed. But it's not coming in as just a rendering of, say, RSS links. It's actually coming as blog posts. So people can go in and they can leave a reply and comment on it, and this all happens automatically. And so these are all of the posts that have come in, the feeds that have come in and have just been immediately added to my blog posts. Along the side here you can see something else that the plugin offers, which is a widget. And so the widget, which is just simply found when you go to your template for your theme, widgets, allows you to identify which categories you want to put in, and then you have a number of options on how that widget can be displayed. Here I'm doing it as a kind of a moving motion, but you can do it as bullet points, or you can do it as just a kind of a flat sort of a look. And so there's lots of different things that you can do with this. You can also export feeds so that you can aggregate feeds, and then you can export them so that your readers can actually consume an RSS feed from your site. There's lots of different template options and style options and parameters, the way that you can make your RSS feeds look like on your site. So anyway, that's how it works, and I hope you enjoy it.